first of all, I'd like to say thank you to each and every one of you guys that have been subscribing, liking, and sharing my videos. I really want to say thank you. I truly appreciate you guys. You guys have no idea how much it means when you actually see that people actually like what you're putting out, and I just want to say thank you. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. So today we're gonna talk about my spring twist. I'm gonna link the full tutorial down below, so those that haven't been able to check it out will check it out. Without talking too much, let's just get right into the update. All right, so first of all, I'm gonna take it out of my hand. This is exactly how I wear it to sleep, guys. I just put it on. I just I use my wild growth hair oil on my edges and all over my scalp, just to moisturize it and just to help it grow. And I've been really seeing a really great improvement since I started using this. It really works, guys. But I don't know about my edges. I've been putting it on my edges and I truly don't see any difference in my edges. But my main hair, wait, hold on, let me just show you guys. All right, so I'm gonna take the bonnet off. The hair still looks really good. Like the springiness of it, I don't know if that is even a word, but it still looks nice. And it's been like a month, and it's been like 5 weeks or 6 weeks since I did this hair. And you see my roots, which is I recently did the big chop during the summer, so my hair is like in a teeny weeny afro, TWA. But since I've been using this wild growth for my scalp, I've gotten a lot of new growth, guys. But I just wish it would work on my edges. I don't know what's wrong, but it's not. So this is the hair after 6 weeks, and it's still, I have no complaints about this hair. It still looks amazing. The only thing is it gets stuck together. Look, it's like it's all stuck, so you have to like take your time and like separate it. It's like matted together, but it's not really matted, it's just like the ends, they get stuck together, so you constantly have to like keep separating them, like running your fingers through it. Just, you know, see right here, you have to like, and you have to be very careful, because one time I just yanked it and whew, it almost ripped out my hair. Because you because of the way it feels, you wouldn't think that it's gonna be like hard to separate it, but you have to be very careful, guys. I just love this hair, and I don't put anything on the actual hair, nothing. The only thing I do is I use the braid sheen just on my scalp, like my own natural hair. I just like spray a little bit in there once in a while, not even every day. I do this like once a week, yeah, because I haven't really, like I said, my hair is very short underneath this, so I don't really see the need to be putting extra product or like trying to keep my hair moisturized. I just do this like once a week, and I don't really focus on the actual hair. I just stick to my roots, that's it. So just spray a little bit all over. And then I just like massage it in. And then I use my wild growth oil. I just like apply it all over my scalp. Guys, this is amazing, but it's just like the smell is so strong. So if you're not too keen on smell, it's like, I wouldn't recommend this. But I would rather my hair grow. I can deal with the smell. I love it. And I just like put it all over my hair, my scalp, and close it. And then I just like massage it in. And with the oil, I do it every other day. So let's say today I'm doing it. Today's Wednesday. I'm not gonna do it tomorrow on Thursday. I'll do it on Friday. So then I just like massage it in. And that's basically it. And I just like I try, guys, I try. I'm terrible at laying my edges or baby hair or whatever you guys call it, but I try. I just use a little bit of gel and then gel it down and then tie it with my scarf. and just wait, and that's it. Like, the hair is amazing. And a lot of people were asking about the length, like on the link on the Amazon link to the where I purchased this hair, it tells you 8 inches. But don't be deterred, guys. 8 inches is, they mean like in half. When they fold it in half is the 8 inches. But the hair is very long because it's very springy. So when you like stretch it, it becomes very long. But to achieve this length, like in my video, I think for each strand I split it in 3. Yes, I split it in 3, and I also pull it, like stretch it a little bit, like how you do box braids, how you stretch the hair. Yes, I stretch it a little bit, and then I do the twist. That's why I got mine like very long. Like, it's very long. It goes all the way to my belly. Like, when it's stretched, it goes all the way to my belly. So this is it, guys. I love it. I've been getting so many compliments on this hair. Like, it's amazing. All right, so not to talk too much, we're just gonna jump into the styling. A lot of people were asking about how I style this hair, so I'm just gonna jump in it and then show you guys how I style, the different styles that I do with this hair. All right, thank you for watching my videos, and stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you, guys. I appreciate you guys.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them. To see the horizon turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.